Many people ask, what is ZBB really? In a sense, it's looking at your entire company starting from zero. Instead of saying, what do I have and where can I reduce or where do I need to increase? It's starting everything from what do I really need? And in that sense, it's very powerful. A company may think that they actually know where they're spending money and time and resources and where they're making money. But until you really dig into the granular details, you start to discover there's a number of things in there that you didn't know. ZBB is also much more than a process or a budgeting tool. In reality, it's a way of life. It's pushing out that requirement that the CFO bears every single quarter of financial discipline to the broader organization. Why is it that the CFO is the only one who needs to be the police officer within the company in terms of financial discipline and management? Rather, if everyone is thinking along the same way and the same mindset, think of the power in that multiplication of all the different people pulling together resources, thinking positively how to grow a company, and thinking in a sense of not what is mine, but rather what's best for the company. In this way, ZBB can really unlock what is both now and in the future.
One of the questions I get the most at the beginning of conversations with clients is, what is ZBB? And reality is, this is a 50-year-old concept. It was first introduced in 1970. And if you go back and you read that, it was a simple approach of we break the budget down into very small categories or packages of spend, and then we make decisions on the trade-offs of what do we get if we spend this money and what do we lose if we don't. In the last 5 years, it's really experienced quite a bit of a renaissance, if you will, where now it's much more than budgeting from zero. It's a comprehensive approach to cost management and performance management that allows companies to drive out significant costs in the near term, but more importantly, reallocate those resources to align with their strategic priorities and then sustain that impact over time.